हेलो एवरीवन। लास्ट वीडियो में हमने आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस के 3 क्वेश्चंस किए थे. इन दिस वीडियो वी विल सॉल्व 4 more questions because in UGC NET 2020 there were a total of 7 questions from AI. So our first question is, which of the following is not true in problem solving in AI? Option 1 is implementation of heuristic search techniques, solution steps are not explicit, knowledge is imprecise, it works on or implements repetition mechanism. Now, first of all, what is problem solving? It is a part of artificial intelligence that has a number of techniques such as trees, B-trees, heuristic search algorithms. Now, इस statement से option 1 clear है that this is right. Implementation of heuristic search techniques. Okay, ये हम problem solving में use करते हैं. Now let me show you some difference between AI programs and conventional program. इस टेबल में आप देख सकते हो in AI programs it is symbolic processing whereas in conventional it is numeric. AI programs involves large knowledge base, conventional में large database. In AI programs modifications are frequent and heuristic search technique is used. Okay, ये हमारा first point था. Solution steps are not explicit in AI programs, whereas in conventional these are precise. So second point भी हमारा true है that solution steps are not explicit. And last point is knowledge is imprecise in case of AI programs, and this is our third point. Okay. So first, second and third points are true and last point is not true. It works on or implements repetition mechanism. So question में यही है कि which one of the following is not true? So right answer will be option 4. So our question is matching question है. On left hand side we are given some searching techniques like greedy BFS, A-star, recursive BFS and SME. Okay. List 2 में उनकी कुछ properties given है. So now before matching these properties, सबसे पहले जो भी लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे हमें टेक्निक्स दी हुई हैं उनके बारे में थोड़ा सा डिस्कस कर लेते हैं. नाउ हम 4 पैरामीटर्स के बेस पे इनको कैटेगराइज करेंगे. दीज आर कंप्लीट, ऑप्टिमल, टाइम कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी एंड स्पेस कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी. सो फर्स्ट इज ग्रीडी बीएफएस. नाउ ग्रीडी बीएफएस नाम से पता चलता इट इज ग्रीडी, सो इट चूजेस लोकल बेस्ट सोल्यूशन. That is why solution is not guaranteed, hence it is incomplete. Now greedy BFS, it is incomplete as well as not optimal. Okay. Now time complexity and space complexity is order of b raised to the power m, where m is the maximum depth of search space. Next is A-star search algorithm. Now in this, provided heuristic meets some basic conditions, A-star is both complete as well as optimal. Now in this A-star algorithm, space complexity is high as it keeps all nodes in memory. So in this case, both space and time complexity is high, it is exponential. Okay. So ये इसकी सबसे बड़ी limitation है A-star algorithm की. Now next is recursive BFS. Now it is like A-star algorithm, but इसमें कुछ difference है. Like in A-star, it keeps all nodes in memory, whereas in recursive BFS, it only keeps current search path and sibling nodes along the path. इसीलिए इसमें space complexity कम हो जाती है. So recursive BFS complete भी है as well as optimal जैसे हमारी A-star algorithm थी, but difference क्या है, इसमें space complexity कम होती है. It is linear, order of D. Now next is time complexity in recursive BFS. Now time complexity is difficult to characterize because it depends both on accuracy of heuristic function and on how often the best path changes as nodes are expanded. वैसे इसमें time complexity high ही होती है जैसे हमारे A-star algorithm में होती है. Major benefit is space complexity हमारी linear होती है. So अब हम मैचिंग स्टार्ट करते हैं. अपनी राइट हैंड साइड से प्रॉपर्टी रीड करते हैं और उसको ह्यूरिस्टिक सर्च एल्गोरिथम के साथ मैच करेंगे. Space complexity is order of D, where D is depth of the deepest optimal solution. अभी हमने रीड किया, it is recursive BFS. Next is incomplete even if the search space is finite. हमारी incomplete and not optimal सिर्फ एक ही होते हैं, greedy BFS. अभी हमने टेबल में किया है. नेक्स्ट इज optimal if optimal solution is reachable, otherwise returns the best reachable optimal solution. This is our SMA star. Now SMA proceeds just like A star, expanding the best leaf node until the memory is full. When your memory is full, it drops the worst leaf node. This is our SMA star. Last one is computational space complexity is too high. Now computational space complexity दोनों high है, that means we are talking about A star. अभी हमने टेबल में किया, इसमें दोनों हमारी exponential होती है. So this is our correct matching. Last question is, which of the following statements are true? Statement A is, a sentence alpha entails another sentence beta if beta is true in few words where alpha is true. Now this is incorrect. Why is it so? Now the property is A entails B if for every model in which A is true, B is always true. Now but question हमें क्या given है? B or beta is true in few words. No, it will be true in all words where alpha is true. So sentence A is incorrect. Next statement is, forward chaining and backward chaining are very natural reasoning algorithms for knowledge bases in Horn form. Now this is true. These algorithms are very natural and run in linear time. So statement B is correct. Third statement is, sound inference algorithms drive all sentences that are entailed. Now this is incorrect. It is complete but not sound. The inference algorithm is sound if it drives only sentences that are entailed by knowledge. So statement C is incorrect. And last statement is, propositional logic does not scale to environments of unbounded size. Now this is also true. Propositional logic is reasonably effective for certain tasks within an agent but does not scale to environments of unbounded size. So in this question, statement B and D are correct, A and C are incorrect. Next question is, the process of removing details from a given state representation is called, options are extraction, mining, selection, abstraction. Now its right answer is abstraction. Now abstraction is a type of problem formulation and problem solving method in AI. Now it involves removal of physical, temporal or spatial details to focus on more important details. Now if you do remember, abstraction हमने programming languages में भी use किया है, right? C++ में भी हमने पढ़ा है, Java में भी. So वही same abstraction हम AI में भी use करते हैं, same concept आपका होता है. Last question in artificial intelligence that were asked in UGC NET 2020. I hope you learned something from this video. Thank you all for watching this. If you like our video, share and subscribe.